Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my mini size Happy Planner. I'm going to be planning for the week of July 12th through the 18th, so I'll go ahead and take these pages off the disc. I always take my pages out. I just find it a lot simpler to plan outside of my planner. So this week I have, oh, look at that. This week I have pulled the Wild Style sticker book. This is the original sticker book. So I thought I'd go ahead and get a spread in before my new Wild Style gets here. I ordered the new Wild Style sticker book along with some other goodies from the Happy Planner, and hopefully they'll be here this week. So here's my sticker book, and of course I always have my colorful boxes to complement my spread. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, y'all. That is it. I'm going to stop and put these back on the disc. All right, let's see. What does it look like? How's it look? How's it look? All right. Yeah, so I think that's pretty cute. I hadn't used the sticker book in a while, and I like how it turned out. So, yeah, I think I may use this again this week in one of my other planners, because that just turned out too cute. So, okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.